Welcome to our newest listing at 1205 Shire Drive in Aubrey, Texas, in the beautiful community of Sandbrock Ranch. You're going to be welcomed by a very open and spacious layout. You're going to see a beautiful stone fireplace just to the right of me, and it's perfect for those winter nights to cozy up. You're going to also notice the beautiful 9-foot ceilings throughout this home and how it just really opens up the space. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and electric shades in the living room. It also has luxury vinyl plank throughout, including the master bedroom. You're going to notice a beautiful gourmet kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, tons of counter space and cabinet space to store all of your things, and perfect if you love cooking. Behind me, you're going to find 2 spacious bedrooms with a full-size bathroom. Both rooms have a ton of natural light. You can use them as guest quarters, kids' bedrooms, or an office. So to my left, you are going to find a gorgeous bay window that allows tons of natural light into this entire home. And you're also going to notice as you walk in that beautiful green space you've got in the back. This home does back up to a green belt with tons of trees, so it's really one of a kind if you're trying to find a really private green belt home. This could be the home for you. Hey guys, we're now standing in the master retreat. So one of my favorite things about this home is the fact that you get to wake up to that view every morning. Right now it's summer and it's just really, really hot, But in the winter, this is an amazing view. Even in springtime, you can see as the trees change colors, it's a great view and a great way to wake up every morning. We're now in the master retreat bathroom, and you can really get the sense of space in here just from where I'm standing. You are gonna have a separate tub and shower and dual sinks, so it's perfect and roomy for multiple people. So as we mentioned at the beginning, this home is conveniently located in Sandbrock Ranch. This community is highly sought after. It's actually one of the very few communities in the area that does not allow rentals or investors. So you know that your investment is going to continue to rise, and every homeowner here takes great pride in their home and the way their house looks. Hey guys, we're now sitting in the backyard. This home comes with a featured extended covered patio, which is great for entertaining. You can see all the space that's here, and you can really get a sense of how private and secluded this little home is. It's got one of the best locations here in Sandbrock Ranch, and you're definitely going to want to come and check it out. Let's talk about some of the amenities here at Sandbrock Ranch. You're going to have an amazing fitness center located inside the carriage house. You're also going to have 2 dog parks, a tree house, playground, jogging and walking trails, plus 2 fishing ponds. And this all comes included along with a lifestyles coordinator that is here to manage just calendar events year-round for all the residents that live here. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and reach out to us. Our information is going to be somewhere on the screen. If you would like any more information about moving to Aubrey, or if you want a private showing on this particular home.